Then I go and scope it all and sing something stupid like I love you.
Oh, Jeff.
Hey, Mary Ellen.
How you doing, baby?
I'm doing okay. Just dropped a bunch of money at the Target, but it's what you do this
Thank you,
season.
Jeff.
You're welcome, honey.
I had to have it.
So, I hope some of our friends get to join us this evening. Hey, that's great.
Look, there's Carl and Linda and Kenny and Stephanie and Bill.
Awesome. I think Carl was out
Greg
at
and
Hollywood Studios this morning.
Sarah, Chris Jackson, Mike and Terry, who I swear to God,
my goodness.
we love you. A-Bear, who you were just talking about.
I was just talking about him.
Hi, everybody.
Hello, everybody. We just want to let you know that you're two Disney Periscopers, Jeff and Mary Ellen. I should stop saying your favorite. Are going to be out at Magic Kingdom tomorrow morning.
Yay, Magic Kingdom in the morning.
I don't think we've done a good old-fashioned Magic Kingdom open in a little while, and we're going to try to scope it up real good. There's Congo River. That's a fun little mini golf place.
It's really close to our house as well.
We got lunch reservations at the Skipper Canteen.
How'd it go, Carl? Did you get on the ride?
Now, I hope he got on Rise of the Resistance. That's such a fun attraction.
We do have lunch resis at Skipper's Canteen, despite the money I just dropped.
So, apparently in the newest episode of the Imagineering story, they go behind the scenes of Rise of the Resistance, and you can see the mechanism. The ride doesn't really drop. It's
boarding group 7.
It's more, that's a really good boarding group. It's more of just an elevator that goes down. And it's in front of a simulator, so it's not even a drop.
It just gives you the illusion you're being dropped?
Well, it's funny. I was listening to a Disney podcast earlier today, and they were talking about that a lot of people have been getting motion sick on the attraction.
Yep.
And it may be because what you're seeing in front of you doesn't gel with the sensation your body is feeling.
No, it's something unnerving to me about it.
Well, you were a little unnerved by the backwards motion, but it is an amazing attraction.
Again, I'm a weenie. It's okay.
You're not a weenie. You love Thunder Mountain and the Barnstormer and the Mine
crazy
Train.
Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain's are pretty good. Do you know the thing about Thunder Mountain? Some guy a doctor wrote a paper about how it kills kidney stones.
Oh, good.
It pulverizes them. There's something about, specifically the Walt Disney World Thunder Mountain, that I don't even think the Disneyland one does. But he would send patients with bad kidney stones to ride it, and it breaks them up. And it's not other roller coasters.
A-Bear wants to know if you're saying there's no drop.
Not saying there's no drop.
It's like an elevator, but it feels worse.
Let me see if I can find something here real quick. If you can show me. I'm going to show you guys an experiment that I did on the Saturday we rode Rise of the Resistance. First off, if Mike and Terry are watching, I do have here. Show me. I do have in the bag there, Remy
That's
Magnet.
for you, Mike and Terry.
That was it. So this is the bag that our motion stable gimbal is in, the Osmo. I put this around my wrist, and I rode Tower of Terror. And when I rode Tower of Terror, this would go up like this as you drop and then go back down. So
right.
When I rode Rise of the Resistance the second time, when you do the drop, this did not move at all. Mm-hmm. So it's just a downward motion.
Okay. Is there merchandise for Rise of the Resistance?
Oh, yeah. We should have gotten a t-shirt or something like that. Something to commemorate. Oh, you got a Tigger. Remember?
That's life-changing for those with stones.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, that could be very life-changing.
And Mike, I promise we're going to come see you.
Yes, we are. In fact, let's try to arrange specific dinner reservations if you want. Send me a message.
Something specific. Jeff we were prepared to go out there. Was it Thursday?
Yeah.
And he got a call saying he had to go out.
You got to be in Jacksonville at 8 a.m. the next day, and
it's just not good when they do that to us.
There's a lot of stuff going on with work that I can't wait to share with them once we can.
Once we can. But right now, everything's just good.
Everything's normal. Everything's good. We're preparing for the holidays.
Everybody ready for Christmas? How are you guys doing? Because I ain't got anything done.
I bought one of my nephews, Jason, who's on our scope sometimes.
Yeah, don't say it because he wants
just a really cool Christmas gift. I'm going to be the cool uncle with him.
Stephanie wants to know if you got the job. We'll talk about it when we can.
There's a lot in play. There's a lot going on. As soon as we can talk about it, we can.
Yeah. But things are good. I'm just going to say that.
Yes, things are very good.
And we're excited to spend our last available Saturday morning.
Yeah, because we're going to get blocked out. Because not this Saturday, not tomorrow, but a week from tomorrow, that's when my sister's going to be staying at Fort Wilderness. And we're going to rent a golf cart out there to drive around and show everyone all the decorations. Hopefully the guy with the castle is going to be out there. It's going to be fun.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to it. I really am.
We're going to go to Skipper Canteen. I'm going to try to do a very special scope of the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse for our friend Mark. He's requested that.
Oh, that's right. And then we'll go over to Space Mountain.
I want to ride Space Mountain. You want to ride Thunder Mountain.
30 degrees in Illinois. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, it's 73 out right here.
Well, maybe Carl will be out there for sure. Let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
Carl came up to me the other day, and I was so distracted by something else that was going on, I almost didn't recognize him.
No, I'm going to tell you. I saw Carl that
He looks good.
I saw Carl that Saturday. He looks really good. I think like he's gotten into some good shape.
Yeah.
I think that's why he was maybe a little unrecognizable.
I was like, oh, that's Carl. I'm sorry, Carl. I know who you are. You're excited for Wednesday's movie club. Oh, yeah, I got to watch that movie.
Oh, yeah, we got to watch Fantasia soon. We're going to watch it a couple
I'm
times.
hoping I can pull out some material for Fantasia. I think I can. I'm glad to hear that you're excited. That's great.
We love the movie club. We're going to keep that. For us here on the East Coast in Florida, it's currently 7:15 p.m. So it would be 45 minutes from now. That'd be 8 o'clock our time.
On Wednesday.
I'm really sorry to our international viewers if that's a tough time, but I realize when you have a live blog, you really can't coordinate something that everyone can
with the
always
whole
tune
world.
into.
So sorry about that, but we are going to be doing it Wednesday night, and if I can't pull an hour's worth of material out of Fantasia, we'll just talk about it and enjoy.
We'll give our honest impressions.
Other than that, anything else going on, Jeff? No, just tomorrow. I'm excited about tomorrow.
Just tomorrow, a classic Magic Kingdom morning. It opens at 8 a.m. for all guests, so we hope to be out there early.
8 p.m., Stephanie. Sorry.
8 p.m. Eastern
on
Standard
Wednesday.
Time. Next Wednesday. This coming Wednesday.
On the next time it's Wednesday.
I think it's the 18th.
I don't know.
I believe it is. You don't do days.
I'm not really into time, man.
Well, we hope everyone's having a great evening. Next, let you guys know what's going on.
Tomorrow morning, don't forget about us. We'll be there.
Don't you forget about us.
Wednesday night for the movie review, and otherwise, we got a few people typing things, so I'll give it just a minute, but I don't have much battery left. Mandalorian's a great show. We gotta finish.
Yeah, we gotta get back to it.
We gotta catch up with
the first
everybody.
3 episodes.
Rope drop, good guys. All right, everybody, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the morning. Magic Kingdom, you woohoo!
Oh boy.